Let's go to a Sri Lankan cooking class.
Skin off after you cook. Lot of poor people, they can't buy vitamins. Then mother or mother-in-law give.
Now we're rinsing the seeds, and then we boil these under the jackfruit.
No, red lentil. Little water. You want squeeze. Yes. No, it's okay. It's okay. You want to first time you want to well squeeze. Yes, you want try?
Yes.
Okay. Double. Yes. Yes. I make now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Make it a
Oh yes.
Normally we
Normally.
come same. Two pieces come same size.
Ooh! Tasting the corn. Clear?
No, I'm just thinking that.
You think they do?
Yes. Yes.
No spicy. Salt.
Coconut milk tea, water, flour, margarine, coconut.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Ginger. Here?
Normally
Tuna
you can use
fish.
1 year.
Onion, garlic.
Check. Very new. This month one you can buy. Then you have that side. Little one.
Curry leaves.
Vegetable.
Ginger.
And then
And this is that.
The whole thing. Now we're cooking the roti. That smells so good. This is tuna, potato, and a bunch of spices, and we're making it into a little ball, and then we're going to put it in an egg wash, and I believe we're going to fry them.
I had yesterday for dinner. People cooking this dish. Yes, but if you know what are it. Stacie, że się bardzo tutaj cieszę. Yes.
After she went with father. She went with father.
Yes.
I tempered with this, but
Okay.
Flour, coconut milk, salt, sugar, and half egg.
This is for
for you, dal and jackfruit. Jackfruit, dal, fish cutlet, papadam, coconut roti, hoppers.
Yay, thank you.
Yes. Now who can mash?
I can do it. This thing is so cool. Bon appetito! We did it! Woo! Here is the meal. It's okay for you.
Bon appétit.